Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining or I'm going to be answering the answer of this question, which is can you watch ESPN on Amazon Prime videos for free? So the straightforward answer here is no, but there is more to it. So Amazon Prime does not include ESPN, not even in the paid plan. So you won't find ESPN channels inside Prime videos. And this confusion happened because Prime Video has sports content and you can install the ESPN application on Amazon devices. But that doesn't mean that ESPN is included in Prime. To watch ESPN, you will need a separate service, and here are your main options for that. You can either use the ESPN application with the cable TV login, you can subscribe to the live TV streaming services, or you can also get an ESPN standalone subscription. So you must be wondering, can you watch it for free? So technically you can watch it for free, but only temporarily. Some of the live TV services offer you the free trials, which include ESPN. So once the trial ends, you will need to pay for it. You can also watch ESPN on the devices like Fire Stick, but remember that you are using the ESPN application and not the Prime Video itself. Prime is just a platform and it is not a provider. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.